So welcome to another Thursday Thought. So I'm standing in our R&D office in India, and as you can see next to me is a AMR with a collaborative robot that's doing a quality inspection using a camera on this particular engine. One of the debates I've been having with my colleagues here in India is that how effective and efficient is a process like this? So it's a big question I have in my mind, firstly about the reliability of cameras, obviously different ambient lighting situations. From a collaborative robot perspective, you could easily have this in a closed cell with a robot hanging above that could take pictures. And then obviously the advantage of automatic guided vehicle is that you can have a very long, very big part, and the RGV is able to AGV, is able to move around and actually position the camera in the right position. It's currently in R&D, and we're monitoring the effectiveness of a solution like this. I'd love to know your thoughts on your opinion on having this kind of camera inspection on an automatic guided vehicle together with a collaborative robot. Here's another Thursday Thought.